Okay, today's project is to buff the headlights. It's probably a bit hard to see, but there is a distinctive line along here of oxidisation on the headlight. Don't know how well it's showing up on the camera. Trying it from different angles, hopefully you can see it. The products I'm going to be using today is this. Okay, so I'm using that product that I just showed you along with 7000 grade wet and dry paper. First I'll use that to cut the worst back. It will leave very fine scratches on the headlight, but they will be polished out, which I will next show you. Now the headlight that has been rubbed down with the headlight restoration liquid. As you can see, it's now gone very cloudy. Do not worry, this will brighten up. And now I'm buffing it out with an electric drill, and also with the liquid on the sponge. For the final stage, just buff the headlight clean with a bit of rag or a towel. And then there's the end result. You cannot see the line that was there. If you could even see it before, trust me, it was there. But this is basically how to restore your headlights that have tarnished, gone discoloured, back to looking like new.